Hello and welcome to the first part of our new tutorial series on how to use V-Ray for SketchUp. My name is Bojan and I'm a 3D specialist here at Chaos. Our goal with this series will be to show you an entire workflow step by step of creating stunning exterior and interior scenes. Every episode will also contain specific tips and tricks that will be helpful even for the advanced users. In this introduction video, I would like to familiarize you with V-Ray and its functionalities. We will do that by briefly going over the different topics we will revisit in future episodes. Let's start with setting up V-Ray. If you have installed V-Ray, but for some reason you don't see any of the V-Ray icons, you should navigate to the toolbar menu and turn them on from there. The toolbars can be docked and undocked just like the SketchUp toolbars. I would like to start by showing you the scenes. I have set different cameras around the scene to give you an overview of the project. Our first priority will be to fill up the exterior and interior space with assets. Thanks to the Chaos Cosmos browser, we can do so with just a few clicks. Our library has a vast number of diverse models, things like furniture, accessories, and vegetation. This camera will be for our exterior shot. In future episodes, we will create a day and night scenario. We will go over different sun and sky parameters as well as different types of artificial lights. To create an interesting shot, we need to know how to operate a camera. There will be a dedicated episode in which we will go through different camera settings and how they can help us achieve our artistic vision. Then we will focus on materials. I will show you how you can create a high quality material from scratch, or add already stunning looking materials from the Chaos Cosmos material library, which has hundreds of realistic materials ready for production. Lighting is a very important part in creating a mood in your scene. That's why I will do a step-by-step episode in which I will show you some composition rules for lighting your interior scene. We will also go through the powerful capabilities of the VFB. We will cover things like color corrections, light mix, and even some basic compositing. During the duration of the series, we will also get familiar with V-Ray Vision, which will allow us to step into our newly created environment and explore it in real time, giving us great flexibility in changing the materials or lighting. These are just a few of the topics we're going to cover during this series. I hope you're as excited as I am to demonstrate the powerful capabilities of V-Ray for SketchUp. Join me in the next episode, in which I will demonstrate how you can fill up an entire scene using only the Chaos Cosmos browser. Thank you for being part of the V-Ray experience.